definitely broken. I'd like to keep him under observation for a few days, but he'll be fine. Okay, big guy?
Whoa, whoa. Hey, pal. Why the long face?
You gotta get me out of here. I'm not cut out for this place. Look at me. I can't eat. I can't sleep. You don't know what it's like being cut off from the outside world. What year is it? Who's president?
Hey, we sure miss you down at the track.
Well, it's been a very hard day.
You know, I saw you, and I was about to say to my brother Buzz, I never seen a black horse with white stripes before, you know?
You been whipped.
It's not hot enough. My back is killing me. Put more heat on.
Okay, smart boy. Say hello.
Just plan B.
My what?
Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Don't hold it in. Just be sure that you cover your mouth with a tissue. I will assist you. Sneeze all your troubles away. Add up to 150 miles an hour. Interesting fact. The average sneeze travels at a rate of 100 miles an hour. In 2003, Dirk Evert of Grunholz, Germany, clocked in at 150. Way to go, Dirk. Danke. I think I have a remedy, perhaps in my potpourri. I bought it from a merchant in Spain. For ultimate sneeze satisfaction, try allergic reaction. Take a deep breath. If it helps, you can squint at the sun. Or here's some pepper. Let's see. I know it. Try this lever. Don't be afraid. Set it free. Let it go. 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 Go, 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 go! Interesting fact. The photic sneeze reflex, or sneezing when exposed to bright light, is a genetic trait found in 25% of the population, including Dirk. Gesundheit, which, interestingly, means good health in German. Ja! Sneeze if you have to, sneeze if you need to. Accidentally sneeze on your neighbor. Our neighbor, This has been Silly Songs with Faye. Tune in next time to hear Dirk say, Ich bin ein Sneezer. Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Don't hold it in. Just be sure that you cover your mouth with a tissue. I will assist you. Sneeze all your troubles away. Add up to 150 miles.